You can turn it on just kind of slowly, you know.
Right now?
Yeah. It's... Oh, I gotta do this too.
Maybe more?
This nozzle might be turned on. There we go. Okay. Oh, yeah. See, I gotta put the plug back in. Oh, forgot about that part. Turn it on here again. Ah, right there. Yeah. Zoom in on that. That's my leak. It's gonna square out there. Geysering. Whoa! So, okay, look, the 7 psi cap just went, and that opens the drain, which comes out here, but that needs to be soldered back up over here. I guess it's good that it's not in the tubes here. It appears to just be down there. That's it. Cool. So that's why I can't run my car right now. Wait, why am I smiling? Well, finding the source of a leak, a fluid leak, is just not very easy. And I just found the source of the coolant leak in the radiator. So now I can carry on with a focused repair and hopefully get this MGA back on the road. Phone's all wet. Okay, well, I just got the radiator back from Rex Radiator in the Chicago area here. And from a distance it looked okay. They put a fresh rattle can coat of paint on it. It looks shiny, but they lost the tag that identifies the radiator and the slap there and sticker on the bottom. I only had one major request, and that was to keep the tag that's located up here. So that didn't come back with it. They're gonna go and check the shop where that might be. I mean, it looks functional. The other thing is, as I look at this, the mounting brackets on either side appear to be skewed at an angle a little bit here, you know, to the point where it looks the gap looks a little wider up here than it does down here, and wider down here than it does up here. So we will see how that mounts back in the car. Not too thrilled about that. Yeah, I wish I would have said something about painting. I could have left the original paint on and been just as happy. This is not my favorite paint job, but then on the bottom here, I don't remember the condition of the straps to the bottom part of the tank, but these don't quite look great. I can't prove that was done any different than the original. But anyway, not a great first impression here, but we'll get it mounted, hopefully, and hopefully I get my tag back, and then we'll be back in business. I guess we passed the first test here. The radiator did get mounted without too much trouble. The holes line up and all 6 bolts went in. I gotta tighten them down, but they all threaded in by hand, which is a good thing. Time to start it up. Water temperature is increasing and oil pressure looks reasonable.
Did you catch that? Something doesn't quite sound right. Let me play it again for you. One more time. Did you hear it that time? Yeah, that chirping sound indicates something else may need to be investigated. I'm not an expert, but that sound leads me to believe it is coming from a rotating component. The radiator assembly, with the exception of the thermostat, doesn't move, so observing no further leaks, the radiator repair was successful. A later investigation led me to a suspect water pump, and that will be the subject of my next video. So, subscribe to be notified when that video of my 1959 MGA water pump replacement is posted. Thanks for watching.